All right, you guys, here we are. The chili is now done. Look at that there, everybody. I had to actually let it cool off because it was piping hot before I can transfer it over here to the stove area. But look at this. Just look at it. This right here is chili, everybody. What do you think? I'm just speechless. I don't have anything to say. I know. This cat got your tongue, don't it? But no, really. On the serious tip, look at it, everybody. It don't take that much to do. The only preparation that takes time in making chili is the cutting up and dicing of the bell peppers and onions and everything. But look at it. You don't hardly see the onions. That's why I added more onions in there. And I know I added onions with my hamburger meat earlier. But I added in more onions as we put in the bell peppers and the tomatoes and all that stuff. But you can't hardly see the onions. See that? There's one right there. But see, they really get really fine and soft. See that? Look at that, you guys. Now, here we go. I got some honey, sour cream, cornbread back there. And that's by scratch with gold medal. Of course, that's how we do it over here at Mama's Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. Now, we added in some sour cream in there. Yes, we did, y'all. We got sour cream up in there, less milk. And that's what made, and look at that. My granddaughter's husband, Brian, is so funny. He had to go ahead and take 2 slices already. He already had to get in there. He got up and I said, well, wait a minute, I didn't get a chance to do the picture yet. He said, oh, my bad. But it was already gone. So, I mean, I'm telling you, ladies, this is what's going to keep you a man. You understand? Look, let's get a little close up there. Look at that. Sour cream honey cornbread, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Now, I'm telling you right now, that's going to make your man stay at home, y'all. He ain't had to go nowhere else. If he have a bowl of this and over some rice, if he prefer. Some of them don't want rice. They just eat it like chili. But that's okay, because this big pot right here is going to last us for a few days. You can also put it in the freezer bags, like I mentioned before. Let it completely cool off, though. That is the most important thing. You have to wait till it completely cools off before you put it in a Ziploc bag, okay? It's going to be a disaster if you do. It's going to melt right through the bag and it's going to be a big mess. So wait for it to cool down. But in the meantime, I'm about to get off because we're about to watch the game.